If you're looking for a property here in Tanawan, Batangas na very accessible and available via Pag-ibig Financing, this is Verena Townhouse. Tara! Yung available lot area for inner lots for Verena Townhouse is 60 square meters and then for the floor area is 51 square meters. May space ka dito for garden and also ito yung ating provision for garage. Pagpasok natin, ito yung door natin and this will serve as your living area. Semi-complete yung unit natin kaya may tiles and paint na tayo. Dito naman sa area na to, ito yung magsaserve as your dining area and kitchen area. Included sa package yung ating cabinets dito sa baba. Ito naman yung likod na part ng ating unit. So may space ka pa dito na pwede mong gamitin as your service area o kaya naman laundry area. Ito yung ating ground floor toilet and bath na naka-handheld shower. Flush yung ating water closet and meron tayong lavatory. Tara naman sa second floor. Welcome naman sa ating second floor. So nabanggit ko sa naunang part ng video na yung unit natin is semi-complete. Ibig sabihin wala tayong partitions dito sa second floor. Pero since ito ay dress-up unit, so para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano kayo maglalagay ng yung partitions, is ito siya. And ito yung ating bedroom number 1. And for proper ventilation naman, meron tayo dyan 2 bintana. Naka-sliding window tayo dito with screen. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang bedroom. Ito yung ating bedroom number 2 and meron pa rin tayong window doon or sliding window doon. That's it for our Verena Townhouse dito sa Tanawan, Batangas. Kaya kung interested ka at gusto mong gamitin yung iyong Pag-ibig membership, message mo na kami and schedule mo na ang iyong private viewing with us. See you soon!